Good morning and welcome to Man Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna. And Jan. Woo!
Just two of us. And look,
And far away.
3 and 3, 6 feet, baby.
Yeah. Yes, we are 6 feet apart, but still, it's so nice to see
I
you.
know.
I feel like I haven't seen my friends in forever.
The Zoom just doesn't make it.
No.
Just doesn't make it.
And we made sure we came in through the gate, and we're not touching anything. And
Nope.
anyway,
We didn't even hug hello. So there.
we hugged in spirit. Anyway, today we're talking about what are some things that we feel we're really good at, and what are some things that we wish we were really good at.
Can we
So-
add things we really suck at?
No. What do you think? You want to
Good
start?
at. I'm really good at an emergency
Yes, she
because
is.
I don't have to think. I can just take action and maybe think about it later, melt down later. But yeah, emergencies, give me a call.
I'm really good at, like, if all of a sudden 10 people show up at my house, I can make a huge, beautiful meal in 5 minutes. I'm great at that.
Does she know I'm going to be bringing my 10 favorite people and showing up to see if this really works?
No.
I can do that too. I love having enough food in my house that if at any given time 10 people or 20 show up, good to go.
I always
Um,
say I have enough food in my pantry to feed a small country.
Yeah.
But, you know, I mean, it's still a talent. My sister wouldn't know how to do it, so I'm really happy about it. I'm proud of it.
I am really good at baking goodies.
Yes,
And
she
I do
is.
it often. I do
Yes,
it
she
often.
does. And
I love it.
I love them, and I don't want to eat them because I don't want to put on the weight, but they're delicious.
Yes, I will say
Yes.
they are.
I'm really good at being artistic. You know, I can draw, I can paint, I can sew, I can knit, I'm really good with my hands. I love it. I love
Creative.
doing my crafts and my needlepoint.
Mhm.
And, yeah.
Yeah, no, you do a lot of different things. You have
Yes.
a big variety of things.
I
don't
did carpentry the other day, and I was like, wow.
Yes, you can. And I'll take things on. They just don't. I don't have that many things that come to me as much as you do. But I do love being creative.
Yes.
I am very creative. I think very creatively. I don't always get to express it or put it down, but I think very creatively. Sometimes a little weird, but creatively.
What are some of the things that we wish we were really good at?
I wish I was a little better at, you know, when you go to a new situation, you don't know anybody, whether it's like a lunch thing or even a dinner thing, small party. I'm not really good at that small chit-chatty making conversation because I don't know, this is going to sound bad, but I kind of just, I don't know, maybe I don't really care. I don't want to hear all their chit-chatty back. I want to hear, no, if we're going to make friends with somebody, it's nice to make friends, but just to
I don't
do
think
the
that
kind
that's, well, it's very rare that you make real good friends in a situation like
me.
that. Well, that's
I'm
true.
really
She
good
makes
at making
friends
friends, though.
in a line at the grocery store.
That I can do, but it's that situation of a group. If I walk into a group, I am the quietest one. Believe it or
I
not.
don't know what to say about that. I've always said this, if I could ask for one thing, I wish I could sing. Not even with a great voice, I just wish I could carry a tune. I'd be happy with
Well,
that.
like you can sing.
Yes, but nobody wants to hear it. It's that bad.
Well, I've never heard you sing, so we might have to do
There's
that
a
one day.
reason for that.
Yeah, singing is quite a talent.
And I think that singing can move the world. I would just love it, but nothing.
I wish I could play the piano. When I hear someone playing the piano,
So why don't you learn?
I thought about it.
You know, they have great programs.
I have
now.
a keyboard, a little keyboard thing at the house, and I just love
we've
my
got to
dad.
talk because I've been thinking about it. Now that we're alone at home,
We're a
I'm
musical group.
we called a concert.
I'll play the piano, you sing. I don't know what Jan talent-wise she would like to do.
Jan's good at singing.
Okay, well then you a duet and I'll do the piano. I just love it when I hear people sit down and
Did
play
she
the
hear
piano.
the part about I can't sing?
Jan will drown you out. She'll sing louder.
I can't believe she said that.
I had to sing with the 2 other counselors for our principal's going away thing. And it was in front of the entire school, in front of her parents. It was huge. And
She didn't sing.
I sang, but I sang
She
quietly
whispered
enough
it.
because one of our counselors, Bob, Steve wasn't real comfortable either. Bob sings and he has voice and it carries. So he kind of carried the tune for us and
Yeah.
everyone's like, I didn't hear you sing. It's like, well, I sang.
We should take singing lessons together.
Well, that would be funny.
That would be fun. That would be fun.
I don't know if you can do it as a group.
Why
See?
not?
I don't know.
There's chorus in school.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
But I don't think you, I don't know.
I always marvel when I see the British shows and they always have some episode where they're singing in the chorus. And invariably, one of the police is always assigned to go undercover and sing in the chorus. And I thought, I wish I could do that, just pick up and sing.
We'll have to write a script.
Anyway, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to embrace getting older and to continue staying healthy and strong and keeping our distance.
And remember our YouTube channel at Mam Talks. Please like, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. And remember our website, www.mamtalks.com. I think there's a new article up, isn't there?
Yes, there is. There's a
Check out the new article. So thank you so much. Stay safe, stay distanced, be well. Thank you. And remember, don't forget to embrace getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.